Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Hopefully, you've seen my previous video. Let me just pull her up here. I put up a video on setups for simulated trading last night. I've talked about it. Just go over to quantlabs,
Hi, everybody.
youtube.com/quantlabs. And this video here, which cryptocurrency coins to trade today, that was put up last night. So here we are, almost 24 hours later, and let's see what we got. So I just want to show you in Motivewave, you have the ability to look at orders, positions, and I believe accounts should be in there somewhere. So you also have trade history. So right now, here's the account. Now remember, everything's all simulated as described in that video. We're not dealing with spot or cross margin. I need to also mention that just announced in the last 12 hours, England has banned, or UK has banned all crypto that's traded in a alternative, like in a future product. Has been banned now in the UK. Okay, so we're still trying to iron that out, but I might put up a blurb on that on the Instagram and see where that goes. Okay, so let's talk about the account. We're in simulated mode. I've talked about this in the video. Again, we are just talking about under preferences here. We are just testing everything out before we launch our custom coded strategy, the reversing MACD, which we're testing. As you can see here, we've got a tiny loss here. But anyway, simulated account enabled, So under account, here's the overall account. We have an unrealized P&L of a loss $6, P&L down 61 cents. It's been traded. Now, before I continue, for whatever reason on Windows, I'm using the latest version of Motivewave. It crashed, so I've got that opened up. Ticket, hopefully, with the Motivewave support to get that fixed. It's usually a stupid environmental problem on my Windows, so I wouldn't expect this problem on Linux, and I haven't seen anything like that on my Mac as well. So I would be a bet man. It's an environmental problem on my Windows. Again, that's with the latest version of Motivewave. As a result, with what I opened up last night was not, there's no automated trading. I don't know when it crashed, maybe being down for at least 8 hours. So a lot of these losses under the positions, we still have some that are really, like this one with XRP down $6. So if I close that, it'll put that back up to, well, negative 61 plus another $6 in the hole. So these are bugs that I can expect under the positions. Those are already what's been open. So let's go under our trading history here. Now this is what the important stuff is, the losses and the hits. Okay, so here we have this one, Litecoin lost. This one lost as well, Bitcoin USDT. We have a positive one here, and we have another positive one for Litecoin. And then we have another loss here for Litecoin as well. So those are them. So these are the charts that we're dealing with here with these active trades. Okay. So again, that's on a 15-minute basis. That might be too much for my bot or this strategy because it might be too sensitive. I don't know, but it's all about testing. That's what we're doing right now. And you can see here, it does matter if it's on a 15 hourly, 4 hour, whatever time frame. So it's all being tested. You can see all the trades here being traded with good old Zcash as well. XRP is not looking good overall. Here's the entry somewhere under here. Cardano as well, and so on and so forth. So it's just a much better understanding of how these simulated trades work. And I also got the same setup, so just put up a video on it actually, or will be going up, on 7 instruments here on Oanda with the same thing in simulate mode, in MACD reversing, just testing them out, and tested out the MAMA as well. The MACD looks better. So we're still trying to figure out the right workflow with this. So, you know, it's going to be between the Forex, CFD, and the crypto, because my bot on a Python is just not trading as much. It's dependent upon trend, and this way I can look and just get in and out and look at charts to see that there are things moving as well. So that's about it. I just wanted to show you this. It's still early stages. The other thing is it's simulated mode, so we're going to be testing the time frames. The key to all this right now is all about timing. I bet you right now, because of crypto, it changes appears every 2 to 3 hours, maybe 4 hours. Different coins come in and they trade with these conditions, and they'll come off and they're not performing it like they were 3-4 hours prior, and you got to recalibrate and do another set of charts and another set of instruments to apply the same strategy to keep on top of it. If there was a way to automate all this, I'd be gladly to do it, but I would say with the setup right now, it's about 75%. The other way to get around to get maximum performance is if you watch this video here, I just put up, or will be putting up, let me just pull up my recording software here. You know, it's a video on in Forex and CFD, the back testing on the 2 strategies I'm kind of playing with right now, the MACD reversing and the MAMA. I'm sure there's going to be some more as well to be tinkered around in Motivewave as well. So we'll keep that eye out for that, and we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.